Hello again. I'm talking to you about chapter 16, our last chapter. It's the organic chemistry chapter. So this is going to be a little different way of naming things than we've been naming before. So naming is a big part of organic chemistry and also the bonding. So take a look at the opening essay, and then they're going to talk about different types of carbon-hydrogen bonding, and those have different categories. So look through this, the different names. And alkanes have single bonds, alkenes and alkynes have double and triple bonds, so make sure you understand that. And the geometry of the carbon-hydrogen bond is important. And then this naming structure is really the new thing for organic chemistry. So take a look at this and make sure you understand how to name things. It's important, and I usually have that on quizzes and tests. Then look at the unsaturated things where you have double and triple bonds. Understand how to name those as well. And this is a aromatic. It's a ring structure, so there's ring structures that are important in organic. And so this is an introduction to organic chemistry. There's some reactions here that are important. So take a look at these sample problems and make sure you can do those problems. The next section is about branching, where we have, instead of a straight chain of carbon-hydrogen bonding, we have branches. And so it looks more like this. And there's a way to name these as well. So this chart here is important. So we have to learn how to name those chains. So it takes a while getting used to this. So take a look at this, look at the sample problems, so you understand them, try them, see if you can get the right answer. Here's the exercises. Try those out with the answer keys, see if you can do those. The next type of organic molecules have halogens on them or OH groups on them. They're called functional groups, so this is another important thing to understand in this section, section 3. So take a look at this and be able to name things. There's a few reactions in this as well, and I have that in your lecture notes. And here's the exercises. And then there's some other functional groups, so you'll just have to know what these are called, what they look like, and what they're called. I probably won't have reactions on this, but you'll see these. And here's some practice problems. And then there's some other functional groups at the bottom here. So if you could just know what they are, I won't have you knowing the names and reactions probably. You probably won't get there. But naming is probably going to be the big thing in this chapter, not so much the reactions. And then know that polymers are long, long, long chains of carbon backbones, and they are very, very long and huge, so that's the thing to know about polymers. So take a look at polymers. And then here is the end of chapter material. So here's where the homework is. So take a look at that and do that and submit it to me in our last chapter. It's been good talking to you. I hope you have enjoyed our chapter introductions together, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.